Welcome back to ISF. You know, if you've ever tried biking or, hey, even walking in Miami, you know how treacherous it can be. And if you do get into an accident, oftentimes you are entitled to compensation. Our trusted advisors, Victor Demesmin Jr. and Jeremy Dover, stopped by to tell us about the rights you have and also how they can help. Victor, Jeremy, glad you're here today because accidents involving biking, they're not uncommon.
No, they're definitely not.
Not at all. How common are they?
In Florida, there's about 6,000 bicycle car accidents a year.
So hold up. So this is people that are on their bike and just on everyday streets.
Yes.
That are struck.
It can be either struck or it can be, they may not actually collide with the car and the car cuts them off and they have to basically brake, flip, injure themselves because of the car's actions. Out of that, typically about 2%, so 1 out of 50, is a fatality based on bike accidents in the state of Florida, which is a crazy number when you're thinking 1 out of 50 of these bike accidents.
Well, let's just say that I am struck by a car or I'm pulling out into the street, I don't see the car. Who's at fault?
Just like the vehicle has a responsibility, the biker also has a responsibility. I'm not sure how familiar you are, but as a cyclist, we have bike lanes, right? And cyclists must stay in their bike lanes. They should also give signals, whether they're turning or if they're stopping or whatever the case may be. The thing that people don't understand, if you've never cycled before, it's pretty difficult to just stop abruptly. It's not like a normal bicycle, right? Your pedals are attached to your shoes, you know, your sneakers or your cyclist shoes or whatever you want to call them, right? So you have to clip them out, you know, so there are a lot of procedures when it comes to stopping a bike than if you were just normally just driving or riding a bicycle. But sometimes it could be from the negligence of the cyclist too, right? So it is a case-by-case basis, but you know, for the most part, just like pedestrians, usually if you do hit a cyclist or a pedestrian, you're usually more at fault because you should be aware that they are on the road. You should give them access to use the road also. And you should be mindful that you are using a dangerous instrument, which is a vehicle, so you should be driving with caution, if that makes sense.
So Victor, with that said though, so what is that, how do you refer to that kind of activity between being struck by a car and a cyclist? What does the law say that is?
Well, I mean, just like any accident, it would be considered an accident, unless there's something that can show that there was some malintent or, you know, there was some, you know, purposeful action behind you doing that, right? If on accident you know, hit a cyclist or you hit a pedestrian, let's say, you know, it'll be just like any other car accident. Obviously, the damages to that person may be far worse than if it was just a vehicle-to-vehicle accident, but it would be an accident unless some kind of intent was proven behind that.
So if we say, if this is akin to an actual car accident, should you follow the same protocol that you would do after you are involved in a regular, I hate to even say that, a regular car accident?
Yes, you would follow the same protocol. I mean, first, in this scenario, if you're the cyclist, you need to make sure you're safe because that adrenaline, that shock to you, because it can make you not realize the injuries you have and the injuries you've suffered at that moment. So you gotta make sure that you're in a safe position before you call the police. And this is why it's very important to get an attorney involved like ourselves, because now you're dealing with who caused it, what was the cause, were you following the rules of the road? There's actual rules of the road that a cyclist is supposed to follow the general rules of the road by a vehicle. They have to go with the same flow of traffic. Even though there's a bike lane, you can't ride the opposite way technically by law. If you're under 16, you're supposed to have a helmet. There's a whole bunch of these little nuances that are there that can affect the liability determination by an insurance company or by a court on who was truly at fault for this accident. And with new laws that have basically come in Florida, it depends on how much at fault you are on if you're able to recover from the other party.
So you just mentioned that if you're under 16, you're supposed to wear a helmet. Is that that's state Florida law?
Yes, that is state Florida law, but I would recommend you wear a helmet no matter what your age is, but that is just a requirement.
Whether you're riding a bicycle or a motorcycle.
Yes.
We've had this conversation
Absolutely.
before.
Thank you too.
Take care.
Thank you.